Jonathan Golly back with my BFF sammynic01. So today we just thought of this out of the blue, right? Okay, we're doing what? Sammy, they can't hear you. So, anyways, we are doing hide and seek, and as you can see, we're not buddies to make it even harder. And yeah, hi people in the world. Wow, Sammy. Okay, anyway, to get right into the video, we can't be buddies, which, as you can see, we're not. And I'm gonna go first. So, Sammy, give me a minute to hide, and then you can come find me, okay? No, oh, all right. You're not accepting buddy requests right now, Sammy. Well, turn them on. This is turning out to be a very nice intro. You're still not accepting buddy requests. No, I'm not reload. All right, you buddy me, Sammy. Buddy me. Sammy. Oh, wait, hang on. Okay, I'm going first, Sammy. I'm going first. Got it? No. I'm going to hide. No, I'm going to hide. No, you are not explaining the rules. Just let them follow along. Yeah, be mean. No, be mean and let them follow along. Alright, hang on. Alright, guys. So, I am a bunny. So I am going to be hiding in this crowd of people. So she will never find me, right, guys? She has to actually identify what I'm wearing, and what color I am. Sammy, you have to identify what we're wearing, okay? What I'm wearing. So it's actually me. So you actually know it's me. Okay, guys, this is what I look like. Wait, and you can't look at what I look like. You can't look what I look like. Sammy! Yeah, I'm hiding. Let's put my look back on, guys. No following me, got it? Yeah. Oh, I think they can actually hear you, Sammy. Like maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I think they can actually, no, I think they can actually hear you. Sammy. Okay, hurry up. I'm already in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's go. Come find me. I'm right here, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gone. I'm right here. No, it isn't. I'm literally in a mob of people. Yep, right in the middle. Everybody's hiding me. Hide me, guys. It's for a video. Wait, you found me? Oops, I never should have said that. Whoopsie. Oh, dang, I didn't realize you were right there. Dang. Ugh, Sammy. All right, I'm gonna put a timer up. Timer. Online timer. I'm giving you 25 seconds. Start countdown. No, I give you 25 seconds. Mwahahahaha. Oh wait, that's 25 minutes. Whoops, I give you 25 minutes. You need 25 seconds. I'm stupid. Sammy, you're okay. You're fine. Guys, as you can see, 15 seconds right there, so let's go. We need to find her. Sammy! Hurry up! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Okay, stop. Sammy, it's time. I'm gonna come find you. Let's find her, guys. She's a green pig, so we can find her. She stands out. She'll stand out, 'cause she's a green pig. Found ya. Hee 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 hee. Okay, wait, no, where'd you go? No, I gotta hide now. Okay, I'm gonna hide. Okay, I'm hidden. Scorm's quitting? Oh, okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Hang on. I'm on YouTube. I'm just gonna go to my friend. Oh, wait, hang on. I see the notification. Scorm is live. I'm quitting Animal Jam. Let's watch this, guys. You're quitting? Hang on, let's move this. There we go. You're quitting? Oh, wait, no. This is an April Fool's. Oh, my gosh. I didn't realize that. It's same. Okay, we can get out. Let's. Okay. Sammy, come find me. Come find me. Sammy. Find me! Right, you're totally coming to get me, Sam. If you did, you would have found me by now. Find it, found, technically the same thing, right? Oops, I've been spotted. I've been noticed. People are following me. People, no, don't follow me. Hide me. You need to hide me. People, stop following me. Oh, I saw you. Don't, once you actually see me, you can say I found you. Really? No, you don't. I'm hidden beneath this spirit claw guy. I have not been spotted. Ugh, fine, I've been spotted. Ugh, I need to change. Okay, I'm giving you 25 seconds. I'm gonna change my animal this time. Guys, what am I gonna? Hey, I'm gonna be this guy so she can't find me. Okay, I'm starting to count down in 5. I found you. I see you. Right behind this tiki guy thingy. Because I used the name tag. We're still buddies. I can follow you. You know that, right? Yeah, it is. Woohoo! Guys, we're beating Sammy by like 18 points. I found you! you go? I see you in the crowd. Wait, where'd you go? No, where'd you go? Found you! Found you! It's a dog pig. I'm not cheating, I'm just following you. I'm following you every move. No! Where'd you go? I'm going to find you. I found you in the Crown Court Canyons, people. Yeah, you are. You're in Coral Canyons. I see you. No, I'm not. I don't even have you on my buddy list. Quote, quote. Found you! I found you! I found you! I found you! I found you! Guys, we found her. We found Sammy. Found you. Bye. Whoa, no! Cheater! Guys, we need an eagle. No. Where'd Sammy go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You're here! You're here! What? Okay, just a second. Hang on, Sammy, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. No, I'm not giving you a second. I'm just gonna go find you. Let's get in our bun. Okay, let's find you. Come on, let's find her. What's so funny? What? Are you running away from me? Why are you running away from me? I found you. I'm not. Oh, how dare you? I'm following you. I found you. You're hiding. Guys, she's hiding down there. Like right now. Come back here, you. Okay, I'm gonna go hide. Bye. Yeah, totally. Okay, I'm hidden. I have the perfect idea. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm hidden. I'm hidden. Right, that's very bad. You found kelp. Very nice, Sammy. You're never gonna find me, you know why? Oh shoot, yeah. Alright guys, I have to end this video. Sorry. Cause I'm at 14:46. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. So yeah, bye.